Okay, Derek, Sharon, and Jeff. I'm doing this short video because Jeff and I were talking on Friday about the complex job report and the multi-job report, and it occurs to me and to him, I think, that we need to create a pop-up page which would show the data, just because it's getting too complex for in-page display. So I'm a little worried that it's going to get too big a project for us to do, but Jeff said, well, take a look at it, show me what you think we ought to do, and then we can talk about ways to scale it back if we have to. And as I did it, I realized, well, I want to show everybody to get an idea of whether or not you, Derek, and Sharon think this is the right approach to take. So this is for the blended job and for the multi-job report, which Jeff has been working on. Now, this is what you see now for the salary finder. You bring up the page, and it's got the drill down for job selection. Then it has for that job. It's got grade information description. It's got market profile, and then it's got the data. Now, I'm proposing, as you will see, that we break this off so that just the top part of this is on the screen originally, and then in the pop-up the rest of the information is. So it would look like this. When you bring it up from the salary finder, it would just have the top of the information. You would find the job that you wanted, select it, and it would bring up this page. This would be a pop-up. It would have in here then the job description and the data and all of the navigation and functionality that we have now. I'm trying to organize. Some of it would apply to the whole page. Some of it would apply to just the specific job. So I've tried to reorganize it. For example, a demographic profile ought to apply to all the jobs there, so it should just appear once at the top. Print, the same. Export to Excel, the same. Whether it's hourly or annual should apply to the whole report, and whether you're displaying salary or rate ranges should apply to the whole report. I'm sorry that these are cut off here, but this is hourly, this is salary. These are radio buttons, so you select one or the other. And I think that this would be a better, not navigation, but functionality than what we have now, because it would show what you've got. Are you showing annual or are you showing rate ranges? And you can click, and then it would affect the data down here. This add a job would take you back to the job selection. You would then select the job, and you'll see in a minute what that will do. This create a blended job, we'll see in a minute what that will do. This navigation here is save the job, starting rate calculator, or the job description. These would apply to just that job that we're looking at that point. So if you add a job, you go to back to that navigator, and then once you've added the job, it displays the job as a second panel on that in this pop-up. We get this same navigation now for each of these, but these have not changed. You're displaying annual or hourly, rate ranges or salary, and you can then print it or you can export the whole report. If you change the demographic profile, it's going to change it for everything in the report. To create a blended job, you would just repeat that functionality if you wanted to add additional jobs. Creating the blended job would just be an extension of that with one extra layer of functionality. It would create this blended job. It would just be the average of these two, and it would give you a place for the weight for each job right in the job. So that's it. This would be in addition to a series of pop-up windows. So take a look at it and let me know what you think. Thanks. Signing out.